In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Studio for recording Google Meet. By the end, you'll be able to capture your meeting window and both sides of the conversation with clear audio, all inside OBS Studio. Start by opening OBS Studio. In the Scenes panel, create a fresh scene so your Meet recording has its own clean setup. Giving it a simple name helps keep things organized if you record different meetings or projects later. And with your scene ready, go to the Sources box and click the plus icon. Choose Window Capture. This tells OBS to grab a specific app window instead of your whole screen, which keeps notifications and other clutter out of the recording. In the window dropdown, select the browser window that has your Google Meet open. If several windows look similar, pick the one that shows a live Meet preview. If you don't want your mouse cursor visible, you can disable that in the window capture properties. When you're happy, confirm to add the source. You'll now see the Meet window on OBS's black canvas. Use the red bounding box to resize and position it until it fills the canvas neatly. Drag from the corners to maintain aspect ratio and slide it to center. If you notice small edges you don't want, you can hold Alt while dragging a handle to crop. Lock the source in the sources list to avoid accidental nudges during the call. Before recording, check audio. In the audio mixer, make sure desktop audio is active and showing green meters when there's sound from the meeting. This is what captures the other participants. Adjust the slider so the loudest parts stay out of the red to avoid distortion. A quick tip: using headphones helps prevent echo, since your mic won't pick up your speakers. To capture your own voice, add an audio input capture source in the same sources box. Select your preferred microphone from the device list. Speak a few words and watch the mic meter bounce. Aim for healthy levels that don't clip into the red. If it's too quiet or too hot, fine-tune the mic volume right in the mixer. When everything looks and sounds good, go to the Controls dock and click Start Recording. OBS will begin capturing exactly what you see and hear. Keep an eye on the meters in the preview throughout the meeting so you can make small volume adjustments if needed. Once the meeting ends, return to OBS and click Stop Recording. Your file will be saved to your default recordings folder.